Hi guys, let's start with the question of the day. So the question goes like, a 50-year-old presents with signs and symptoms of restrictive heart disease. A right ventricular endomyocardial biopsy reveals deposition of extracellular eosinophilic hyaline material. On transmission of electron microscopy, the material is most likely to reveal the presence of A. Non-branching filaments of indefinite length, B. Cross-banded fibers with periodicity, C. Weibel pallet bodies, or D. Concentric whorls of lamellar structure. So this is a very old PYQ of AIMS. I wanted to discuss this topic because it is very important. So first let's start by highlighting the keywords. Presents with restrictive heart disease symptoms. Extracellular eosinophilic hyaline material. Hyaline means something pink, eosinophilic, something pink is there on electron microscopy. So there must be some amyloid deposition which is causing this. So before explaining this topic, I would like you all to get a paper and pen and write everything that you know about amyloidosis, and then see this video to know which points that I have missed or you have missed. This will help you to revise the topic easily. So first, what is amyloid? Amyloid, it is derived from the word amylose, which means starch. It is extracellular insoluble deposits, non-branching fibrils of indefinite length and diameter of 7.5 to 10 nm by electron microscopy. It can be of two types, primary or secondary. Primary, it is seen in multiple myeloma. Here the plasma cells, these are the plasma cells which release lambda and the kappa light chains. So AL, A means amyloid and L means light. Secondary amyloid, it is due to chronic inflammatory conditions. For example, most common in world is rheumatoid arthritis and most common in India is TB. There is these interleukin 6. The same I have explained also in anemia of chronic disease. Here AA is produced, that is amyloid associated. AA you can learn secondary, 2 A's will come. Now these are some important things. Which type of amyloid deposits in which diseases? For example, in Alzheimer's disease, A beta, it is deposit. You can learn like B has brain and we have only one brain. So A beta, AB. A beta 2, it is deposit with chronic renal failure, amyloidosis. It is also associated with carpal tunnel syndrome. We have two kidneys, so A beta 2. Medullary carcinoma of thyroid gland, A cal. Cal means calcitonin. Then you have familial Mediterranean fever. It is due to the mutation in pyrin gene. It is an autosomal recessive condition, first of all, autosomal recessive, and here also amyloid protein which is deposited is AA, that is amyloid associated. Important here is pyrin gene, AA, and it is an autosomal recessive condition. Second is senile systemic amyloidosis. Senile means wild ATTR. Wild ATTR is transthyretin. It is a protein which is used for the transport of retinol and thyroxine. So it is wild ATTR. In familial amyloid neuropathy, it is mutated ATTR. So this is a very important box which you all should know. Then what are some clinical features? So kidney, it is most commonly and most severely affected from amyloidosis. So in amyloidosis, whenever amyloid is deposited, the organ becomes large. Where is amyloid deposit? In the mesangium of the glomerulus. But important is renal venules are never affected. Arterioles, mesangium, everything is affected. Renal venules are not affected. In spleen, you have white and red. So whenever it is deposited in the red pulp, we have Laodicea spleen and white has Sago spleen. Sago you can learn like Sabudana. It is white in color. So Sago spleen, and Laodicea means lal. Lal means red. In liver, it is deposited in the space of Deci. Here LFT is normal. Now in the question itself, it's given heart deposition. So most commonly associated with primary amyloidosis, and there is development of arrhythmias. It is the most common cause of restrictive cardiomyopathy here also. And in tongue, we have macroglossia. Diagnosis, it is very important. The best site for taking biopsy, it is abdominal fat aspirate followed by rectal biopsy. Staining, On H&E stain, we have eosinophilic extracellular substance. Congo red stain, you have uh, salmon pink color. But Congo red on polarizing microscopy, you have apple green birefringence. On iodine, you have mahogany brown appearance. When you wash it with dilute H2SO4, it turns violet. On fluorescent stain, that is thioflavin, you have yellow color under UV light. On electron microscopy, you have non-branching fibrils of indefinite length. On X-ray crystallography, you have cross beta pleated sheets. So for this question, the question was what you will see on electron microscopy. So yes, you will see non-branching filaments of indefinite length. So amyloidosis is a very important topic. One question will definitely come in INICET, that's for sure. Every year it is coming, so it will definitely be coming this year also. So diagnosis is important, on which thing you can see what and what type of amyloid it deposit in which disease. So the answer here will be A. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow with another question.